Hey, what is going on guys, Cesar here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop a video, and I have two strategies, so let's get to business right now. So the first strategy, I use the software Imovie, and basically I have here a 10-second video, and the only thing I need to do, if I want to crop this, I click over here, cropping, and I have this box, and I can put, for example, here or here if I want to crop this part, and then I click enter, and as you can see I have here the final result. So if you don't have access to iMovie, I use these strategies for my affiliate marketing business. And if you want to get access to my free training, the only thing you need to do is click the link in the description of this video. The other thing you can do is go to capwing.com, create a new project. I'm going to drag the video. You can see guys, this strategy is easy. And I'm going to click here on crop. Let me show you. And I can put this box wherever I want. Now let me put it here, and I have here another options. For example, if I want to do an Instagram post, so, or if I want to do a YouTube widescreen, Instagram snap story, so you can play with all these sizes. I'm going to put no constraint, then I'm going to put this box here. I'm going to click here done cropping, and then the next step is to export the project. I can export this as an MP4. Okay, cool, I have here my video, and if you want to download this, the only thing you need to do is go to return to workspace, click here on these three dots, and download the latest export. And that's it guys. So I use this strategy for my affiliate marketing business, and if you want to check out my free training, you can click the link in the description of this video. So talk to you soon guys, bye.